Initiation of gastric motility. Basal electrical rhythm, that is the basal electrical rhythm also known as BER, or gastric slow waves are initiated due to the spontaneous rhythmic fluctuation in the potential membrane. That is, it is going to fluctuate between minus 65 to minus 45 millivolts of the smooth muscle of GI tract, except in the esophagus and proximal portion of the stomach. The function of basal electrical rhythm is to coordinate peristaltic and other motor activities of GI tract. They originate from interstitial cells of Kajal, which has a stellate mesenchymal pacemaker cells. These are situated in the outer circular muscle layer near the mesenteric plexus in the stomach and small intestine. In the colon, they are submucosal. They are at the submucosal border of the circular muscle layer. These cells send long, multiple branched processes into smooth muscles. Slow waves include waves of depolarization and repolarization. Spike potentials also occur uh, superimposed on the most of the depolarized portions of the basal electrical rhythm waves, which will increase the tension of the smooth muscle. The depolarization portion of the spike is due to the calcium influx and repolarization is due to potassium efflux. The rate of basal electrical rhythm varies in different parts of the GIT. In stomach it is 4 per minute, duodenum 12 per minute, distal ileum 8 per minute, cecum it is 9 per minute, and in sigmoid colon it is maximum at the rate of 16 per minute. The degree of spike potential and tension of the smooth muscle is increased by acetylcholine released by vagal ending, gastric distension, and gastrin. They are also inhibited by release of epinephrine when sympathetic nervous system is stimulated, and also by duodenal distension, presence of fat, and acidic chyme and hypertonicity. Here you can see the wave of basal electrical rhythm superimposed by the spike potentials, which are going to increase the tension in the smooth, smooth muscles. Motility of empty stomach, that is motility during interdigestive period, which are also known as migratory motor complexes. During interdigestive period, the pattern of electrical and motor activity in the gastrointestinal smooth muscle are modified. The cycles of motor activity will be conducted from the stomach to the distal ileum. Each cycle of migratory motor complex starts with a quiescent period called as phase 1. Phase 1 is continuous with a period of irregular pattern of electrical activity and motor activity called phase 2. Then motor activity drives towards the aboral end at the rate of 5 cm per second, and they occur at an interval of approximate 90 minutes. Migratory motor complex, that is MMC, clear contents from the stomach and small intestine in preparation for next meal. Migratory motor complex stops with the intake of food and with return of other movements like basal electrical rhythm and peristalsis.